Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we uncover a massive 8,850-kilometer-long brown ribbon of algae stretching from the Atlantic to the Gulf of Mexico, alarming scientists with its unprecedented scale and potential environmental impact. This growing belt is visible from space and threatens marine life and coastal ecosystems. For the last 15 years, a massive belt of algae has been growing. From space, it looks like a giant brown ribbon connecting the west coast of Africa to the Gulf of Mexico. Once confined only to the Sargasso Sea, satellite images captured in May indicated that the massive brown ribbon, weighing 37.5 million tons of sargassum, was spreading over 8,850 kilometers. The phenomenon is termed the Great Atlantic Sargassum Belt. First major bloom observed in 2011, it has been growing ever since, and now almost double the width of the continent of America. The key driver behind the growth of the Great Atlantic Sargassum Belt lies in the rapid increase of nutrients in the ocean. Sargassum, which typically thrives in the oligotrophic, warm and saline waters of the Sargasso Sea, has expanded dramatically due to nutrient-rich conditions high in nitrogen and phosphorus. This explosive growth is directly linked to increased nutrient runoff from major rivers and various human activities, including agricultural runoff, wastewater discharge, and airborne nutrient deposition. A scientific study published in Harmful Algae by the Harbor Branch Oceanographic Institute at Florida Atlantic University found that between 1980 and 2020, nitrogen content within sargassum tissue rose by 55%, while the nitrogen to phosphorus ratio increased by 50%. The Amazon River plays a significant role by supplying vast amounts of nutrients to the Atlantic. Once in the ocean, natural currents such as the Gulf Stream and Loop Current transport the algae across the continent, fueling the formation and expansion of the massive Sargassum Belt. The growth of the Great Atlantic Sargassum Belt has significant ecological and economic consequences. While sargassum provides a rich and complex habitat supporting diverse marine life, including fish, crabs, shrimps, eels, turtles, and various invertebrates, its uncontrolled proliferation has raised serious concerns among scientists. Dense mats of sargassum block sunlight essential for coral reef photosynthesis, threatening these vital ecosystems and damaging natural carbon sinks. As the seaweed decomposes, it releases hydrogen sulfide, methane, and other greenhouse gases, contributing to coastal air pollution and climate impacts. When massive amounts wash ashore, they cause coastal damage, disrupt tourism, fisheries, and local economies, and require expensive, infrastructure-damaging cleanup efforts. A notable example occurred in 1991, when sargassum accumulation along Florida's coast forced the temporary closure of a nuclear power plant. With warming oceans providing optimal conditions for its expansion, scientists warn that climate variability, wind shifts, and changing ocean currents could drive the belt's spread far beyond the Sargasso Sea, potentially intensifying its ecological and economic impacts in the years ahead. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.